This video will help you replace the door closer. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a rubber mallet. You'll also need a solid surface to pry against, such as a small block of wood. To begin, check to see that your door closer is not operating properly. In this case, you can see that the roller ball is sitting outside the striker, which is improper closing. First, open the door and push the roller ball down so that it operates properly. Then, insert the flathead screwdriver under the bottom of the door closer unit and pry it up using the small block of wood to protect and get the right angle. When the door closer pops off of its retainer clips, simply swing it further outward and upward to remove it entirely. Then take your Phillips head screwdriver and tighten the mounting bracket screws. Once the mounting bracket screws are tightened, open the door again and replace the door closer component, using the rubber mallet to tap it into proper position. Then push the roller ball down into the proper position and test the closing. Test 3 to 4 times to ensure the closer is smooth and sure. Once this is complete, adjust the door striker as required.